Trademark certificates have now gone digital. I'm going to spend the next 3 minutes discussing this. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney. I go live here on weekdays to discuss trademarks and copyrights. If you have trademark or copyright law questions, drop them into the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live video. So you may have heard that the Trademark Office has now gone digital. They are issuing all trademark certificates since May 24th, 2022 as digital certificates rather than the paper copies that they used to send all of the registrants. Personally, I like the digital copies. I mean, it's nice to have a certificate suitable for framing. You can still get that. I'll go over that in a minute. But if you're trying to get rid of paper in your life, and I think we all are, it's great to have a digitally authenticated digital certificate. I'm going to show you what one of those looks like. Now, if you're a fan of having something suitable for framing, you can still order from the Patent and Trademark Office for $25 a digital certificate, and you can frame it and make it look really pretty. But if you don't care about that and you're happy with the digital certificate, this is great because you can download it at any time. You don't have a physical certificate that you need to worry about losing. And to me, I love paper, but I also hate paper. It's great, but it's heavy and cumbersome and prone to loss and a whole bunch of other stuff that makes it inconvenient. So I really prefer the digital certificates because I think it makes it easier for trademark registrants to prove their rights because it's digitally signed. So there's that authentication there. And also you don't have to worry about losing it or even keeping it because you can download it at any time from the US Patent and Trademark Office. Let me show you what these look like. Okay, so I'm only going to show you part of this because it has client information on it. But here's what the digital signature looks like. You can see it says digitally signed by United States Patent and Trademark Office, location, United States Patent and Trademark Office, excuse me, and then the date and time of signature. Here's what the whole thing looks like redacted. If you'll notice, I redacted this, I altered it. So guess what's not up here? The digital certificate is absent. Why? Because I altered it. I put this box in here because I didn't want to broadcast my client's, name and address across the interwebs. But you'll notice there's no longer a digital certificate up here. I altered it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So here's the entire listing of goods and services, the date of first use, everything else that would normally be present on a paper certificate. It's also got this QR code. Not sure what that does. We'll have to investigate. And then it's signed by the director of the United States Patent and Trademark Office. So again, this digital signature is the hallmark of authenticity for this certificate. So don't be surprised if after you file your trademark application, you don't get anymore a printed certificate in the mail. They are all digital. I'm Angela Langlotz. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. I'm also on YouTube. I have over 500 videos there. You can just find me online everywhere by going to the Googles and searching Trademark Doctor.